Hello, Honors Chem students. Mr. Keister here with you again today. This is the video for Friday, December 11th, 2020, which is our scheduled 78th day of school for the fall semester. Always keep in mind, though, the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons and the order that those lessons are presented will remain the same regardless. So let's take a look at the do-nows and see what our schedule is for today. So today we're going to pick up binary molecular compounds, which is page 104, and the exam 5-2 review, which is page 106. 105 is coming Monday. From yesterday, we picked up the ionic compounds review. Of course, you also have your fall semester review 3 as well. Hopefully you're working on that already. Exam 5-1 is graded, and it is in the grade book. It's in Power School. You'll be getting them returned to you today. Excuse me. The average combined in all three classes was around 87, which is actually quite good. So good job, guys. Your homework for today was to complete the ionic compounds review. Turn that in. It is due now. If we're here in class, of course, it should already be on my desk. If you are at home, that should be turned in during your regularly scheduled class time. So make sure you do that and don't be late. Okay, of course, you can check the answers before you submit or before you turn in your paper here at school. Of course, the answer key is on the board. It's also posted on the answer keys page in Canvas. So today we're going to continue on with Unit 5-2, which is about chemical nomenclature, the naming and formula writing of ions and compounds. Today, we're going to continue on with binary molecular compounds. So we've been dealing with ionic compounds the last 2 days. Today we're going to look at molecular compounds, which are formed from covalent bonding, all right, not ionic. Remember, covalent bonding between nonmetals with each other or nonmetals with hydrogen. All right, so again, the nomenclature and rules in regards to that for molecular compounds is different than it is for ionic compounds. So today, I will say though today that this is actually pretty simple and compared to ionic compounds. There's a lot less you have to know, and the rules are much simpler. And in fact, today's lesson is quite short. And because of that, the assignment that you picked up today, page 104, is due today by the end of class. I promise you the lesson won't take long, and the assignment shouldn't take you long either. All right, it's a pretty quick one to run through. Of course, when you finish that assignment, and if you want to check it first before you turn it in, that's perfectly fine. Just let me see your paper. If you're at home, I'll make that answer key available to you before you need to turn it in too. Okay? Also, again, your next online homework assignment, mastering the last one of the first semester, Unit 5-2, nomenclature, formulas and names. That is also due this coming Monday, the 14th at 7:30. Hopefully, after today's lesson, you will be able to finish that in, again, fairly quick order. All right. Let me advance the page here real quick. I mentioned this the other day. I wanted to make sure you knew this for sure. Due to time constraints with the end of the semester and finals quickly approaching, there will be no separate exam 5-2. But again, as I mentioned before, this material will most definitely be on the semester final exam. And again, last thing about your review, your big review packet. The fall semester review 3, Unit 4 and 5 review assignment is the third review for our final. You are to work on that on your own time. Hopefully you already have been. It is due this coming Monday, the 14th, before you leave class. All right. There'll be no answer key posted again. So I hope you communicated with friends and classmates as you've worked on it. All right. And like the other two, it is also worth a lot of points. So I think that completes our introductory video for today. Again, like we have been for a while, you're going to now move on to the main lesson video, which of course was done previously in Chem 2. And as I checked that earlier, just a few minutes ago, you'll be able to skip ahead through the first 3 minutes and 36 seconds of that video. So jump ahead the first 3:36, and you should be right where the actual lesson begins. All right. Again, if there's any mention made to Chem 2 or Chem 1 or their units or their page numbers, you can disregard that. Just focus on the body of the main lesson. It will be exactly the same. All right. And again, it's quite short, so get that assignment done today. It is due today by the end of class. All right. So until next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Stay working hard. Stay focused. We're just about done now. All right. So get to that main lesson video. And until next time, everybody take care. So long.